Hello everyone, myself Ashish Acharya from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science. In this video, we are going to discuss absolute error, relative error, and relative percentage error in numerical analysis. The problems in applied mathematics engineering ultimately converge to the problems for finding the numerical results or numbers satisfying some kind of equation under prescribed data. The object of numerical analysis is to provide suitable and effective methods called numerical methods for obtaining approximate representation numerical results of the problem. Whatever a numerical method it may be applied to a problem, in general, the numerical results so obtained is certainly approximate, that is, it contains some error.
The numbers which are used in our mathematical calculation are of two types, exact and approximate. The numbers like 5, 1 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 6, etc. are called exact, as there is no approximation or ambiguity lying with this. There are infinitely many numbers like root 2, root 3, pi, root 17, etc., which are exact but cannot be represented exactly by finite number of digits. Therefore, the digital representation of root 3 as 1.732 and of pi as 3.142 are the approximation to the exact value of root 3 and pi and are called approximation numbers. Thus, numbers which are used as approximation to the exact ones and differ only by a very small quantity from the exact numbers are known as approximate numbers. The absolute error of a number is defined as the difference between its true value and its approximate value. The relative error of a number is known as the absolute error divided by its true value. The relative percentage error is defined as the relative error multiplied by 100. Here, if Vt and Va be the true value and approximate value of a number, then number 1, the absolute error Ea equal to mod of Vt minus Va, mod of course. Second, the relative error Er equal to mod of Vt minus Va by Vt. And number 3, the relative percentage error P equal to we give Er into 100, that is mod Vt minus Va by Vt into 100. We consider an example of absolute error, relative error, and relative percentage error. Write down the approximate representation of 2 by 3 correct to 4 significant figures, and then find the value of absolute error, relative error, and relative percentage error. And now we find this value through whiteboard. By this example, we first find the approximate value of 2 by 3. So first you put 2 by 3 in your calculator. So you given that value. Okay, but here we correct to 4 significant figure. So this digital value we give 0.667. Okay, so it is the 4 significant value, and this is the approximate value of 2 by 3. Okay, and 2 by 3 is a true value. So now we find absolute error. We know the formula EA equal to mod of VT minus VA. So VT is a true value 2 by 3 minus VA 0.667. Just put this value in your calculator and you get the value 0.4033. Okay, next in similar process we find out relative error. ER equal to EA absolute error by true value. Okay, equal to you calculate this value, just you put this 0.4033 divided by true value, then you get 0.405. okay, so just you put this value and we find relative error. Now finally we find out the value of relative percentage error. Okay, relative percentage error. We know this formula EP equal to ER into 100. So that equal to we find 0.005%. Okay, so you can easily find out the absolute error, relative error, and relative percentage error by this formula. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.